How to fix internet connection on Snapchat. All data problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So before going further to the videos, please subscribe to this channel so that I will be motivated and very much thankful to you. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, here if you're facing any difficult to use your Snapchat and it is showing like no internet connection or any problem related to internet, here in this video I'm going to show you the truth and the powerful tutorial to fix this problem. So first of all, what you need to do here is that you have to go to Play Store on your device, or if you are using iOS, I mean if you're using iPhone, then go to App Store and then search for Snapchat. Okay, after searching for Snapchat, here you can see you will find one option, update. Make sure to click on update, and after clicking to this update option, make sure to update your Snapchat application. Okay, after updating your Snapchat, what you need to do here is that you have to check your internet connection. And if your internet connection is not good, then what you need to do here is that to check whether your internet connection is good or not, you have to go to your friends or families or anyone and then connect with Wi-Fi. Once after connecting to Wi-Fi, you will know whether the server is bad from, I mean whether the server is down from Snapchat, or your server is not good. So guys, here if you connect to a Wi-Fi, and or if you connect to a Wi-Fi or a hotspot, then if it is working, then your connection is totally down, I mean bad connection. Okay, so to fix this problem, what you need to do here is that you have to go to your phone settings. After going to phone settings, here you'll find lots and lots of options, so you need to check on mobile network. Okay, after going to mobile network, here this type of interface will be pop up. So here you have to reset this internet. Here you can see internet sim 1. Simply tap on it, and then you need to change the sim once. After changing the sim card, I mean after changing the sim slot, you can check whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, if it is not solved, then what you need to do here, the next thing is that if your internet is working but Snapchat is not working, then you just need to delete your Snapchat from your device. Okay, after deleting the Snapchat, you just need to go to Play Store and then re-download the Snapchat application. So after re-downloading the Snapchat, you have to switch off your phone and then switch on it and connect to a good network connection. Okay, you just need to connect to a good network connection, and then the problem will absolutely solve. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If it is not helpful, then please comment down below. I am definitely gonna help you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that I will be very helpful. Thank you.